All right, so this is short response question number 2. It says let p be a polynomial function and p of x equals x to the fourth minus dx cubed plus 8x squared minus 14x plus 16. If x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial, what is the value of d? Explain how you know. So because we know in this case that x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial, we can use the factor theorem, or a version of the remainder theorem. So if x minus c is a factor, then, make it a little bit clearer, then f of c, or you can use p of c, doesn't make a difference, equals to 0. In this case, x minus 2, that's our factor. So we're going to take our factor and we're going to set it equal to 0. And we want to solve for x. To solve for x, we're going to do the inverse operation of subtracting 2, which is adding 2. Zero plus 2, that's 2. Now we're going to take that 2 and we're going to plug that in to our polynomial. I'm going to use p of x in this case because it has p, so p of c. So we want to find p of 2. So p of 2. And basically we're going to substitute the number 2 in for every x. So that becomes 2 to the fourth power minus d times 2 cubed plus 8 times 2 squared minus 14 times 2. And it's going to be plus 16. And this is going to be equal to 0 as well, because once again, by definition, in our case, since x minus 2 is a factor, then p of 2 is going to equal to 0. And then after that, we can evaluate the following. So we can first do 2 to the fourth. So then we have 2 to the fourth. That's 16. Minus, so we have 2 to the third, which is 8. So that's minus 8d. Plus, we have 8 times 2. Put that in parentheses. 8 times 2 squared. That's 32. Minus 14 times 2, which is 28. Or if you want to, you can put negative 14 times 2, which is still negative 28. Same thing. And then plus 16. That equals to 0. Now we can add our numbers together. And we can see what we get. So that's going to be 16 plus 32 minus 28 plus 16. That equals to 36. 36 minus 8d equals to 0. Let's subtract 36 from both sides. That is the inverse of having a positive 36. So we have negative 8d equal to 0 minus 36. That's negative 36. And then finally, to get D by itself, I'm just going to rewrite it over here. So let's rewrite it. We have, I didn't mean to do that. So we'll have negative 8D equals negative 36. Divide both sides by negative 8. Negative 8 simplify each other out. So D equals 2. Let's invoke our calculator. So calculator. So make sure that's slide over. Negative 36 divided by negative 8. Hit enter. And I want it as a fraction, so you can hit second on your calculator. Hit math, enter, enter, and we get 9 over 2. So that's our D. D is 9/2. So that is it by using the factor theorem. And that's how you find the value of D. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.